Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can outline a video in Capcut PC. So first, you are going to select your video. There's two ways to do this. Either copy and paste your video here. Go to remove background and select auto removal. Go to stroke and select whichever outline you want. Whoops. Just change the color so you can actually see it. And for the second one, you're going to delete it. Go to effects, go to body effects, and go to the stroke one and select whichever one you want. Don't worry about the color because you can absolutely change it. So I'm just going to add this plus button here. On this one you can actually change it, but in a few of these you can change the color of the outline. Let's see if this one you can in color. Yes, you can. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!